Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use ChatGPT for customer service. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in ChatGPT, click on the sign up option, and from here you can continue using your Google, your Microsoft account, your Apple, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, using ChatGPT for customer service is one of the best to handle and support requests around the clock, providing immediate assistance regardless of the time zone or business hours. I use ChatGPT a lot because it can handle multiple customer interactions simultaneously, making it scalable for businesses with varying levels of customer engagement. Now, the thing is, I am running multiple stores here in Shopify. Okay, so I integrated and efficiently use ChatGPT for any customer inquiries because it can quickly run and address straightforward customer questions and escalate more complex issues to human agents when necessary. Of course, it streamlines the customer support process because ChatGPT can be trained in multiple languages, enabling businesses to provide customer service to a diverse customer base without the need for language-specific agents. All right, now let's try to do it. I'm gonna go to my ChatGPT and ask random questions for now, just to demonstrate how ChatGPT can be very helpful. All right, so these are the answers that I got from ChatGPT, which is very quick. All right, of course, from here you can take over. So I have some questions from one of the customers here in my Shopify store. Now I'm here on one of my Google Sheets for handling customer inquiries. So I'm gonna edit this one for now and freeze. All right, so here, what I would do is get these questions, all right, and go to ChatGPT for answers. And from here, maybe type something like just like this one, right? So here's a very quick generated answers from the ChatGPT. Of course, it's up to you to check and evaluate if the answer holds value to your inquiries of the customer. And then I'll be going to the WordPad again. And maybe like work within here. Maybe let's say the customer's name is Andy. Right? And then obviously put your name around here. Right? Now, what I would do is copy everything and then transfer it to the Google Sheet. Now, here's going to be the answer, all right? So basically, here's the answer, right? And I'm going to make it, I'm going to text wrap this one. Okay. Now, another questions that we have is the customer doesn't receive the parcel and wants a refund. And let's go over again to the ChatGPT, and from here all I have to do is paste it and copy the of course ChatGPT will create a very quick and efficient response, so you don't have to think about it. There's intervention, but it's very minimal, so you can mitigate all the information here very quickly. And then I'm gonna head to my WordPad and copy this one, and again I'm gonna adjust everything here. Okay, so once I have it, gonna copy it and transfer it again to the Google Sheet. Now once here, okay, so now I have a template of response for any questions or inquiries from our customers, right? And obviously I can share it with anyone and to the team that I'm working with. Maybe let's put something like a column for this one. Drag this on a little bit. This is going to be the inquiries section. And then the response. And of course, we can highly customize this one to have it something like this. And maybe this one. And from here, you get the gist on how to use ChatGPT for customer service. And again, when you go over here, all right, create templates. As you can see, there's a lot that you can generate here, and these are all highly customizable. Now, the thing is, the Shopify store that I am running holds basically different customers, countries, like they are from North Europe, some are from Southeast Asia, so there's a language that barrier. Some sends me a different language. So if you're planning to deal with it, I would suggest a platform that you can use, which is DeepL, all right, DeepL. And from here, say for example, I receive something from Danish, and here's gonna be say for example, this is the inquiry, all right. Let me just have a different this one. Say for example, the it's gonna be in Slovenian, all right. And you wasn't able to translate it because I'm supporting different countries. What I would do is simply search for the English right here, and you would be able to, of course, get the information. And again, go to the Google Sheet that I have created earlier. And from here, all I have to do is copy the answer and go back to the DeepL translator. And from there, I'm gonna put the answer and vice versa. And of course, simply copy this one to the email from the customers, and you would be able to answer all the inquiries that you have generated on your ChatGPT. Now, the good thing about ChatGPT is that it can analyze customer interactions to identify trends, common issues, and areas for improvement in customer service operations. And of course, by providing instant responses and efficient problem solving, ChatGPT contributes to an overall positive customer experience. I'm using ChatGPT a lot, and it makes and recommends products or services based on the customer inquiries, helping drive sales and improve cross-selling opportunities. And of course, ChatGPT can be continuously trained and improved based on the customer interactions and feedback, becoming more effective over time. And by leveraging ChatGPT for customer service, it can lead to improved efficiency, reduced operational costs, and enhanced customer satisfaction, ultimately benefiting both businesses and their customers. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.